I throw salute to another welcome for football and Pidgin. After match, talk about you see. I beg if you know say you never subscribe to our YouTube channel, don't forget to press that subscribe button and turn on the notification button. Arsenal 3 and Bournemouth 2. And we get Oga Shawzy, we be like saying, "Oh, Bunge Arsenal fan, make on tell us about how we see this game." Oga Shawzy, when the game Bournemouth first they win. Your face, you know, smile. This smile where you do, where they your face for this interview now. Like we know the see for your face. But last, you understand, your team come rise like Gary with a soak. You understand? Let them know say today when I must drag the 3 points, come out like with a drag, I better pass my neighbor generator. How you see your team performance today?
First and foremost, the team they try. The reason why I say the team they try, when you see all these relegation clubs, they sabi play people where we say they get something where they fight. Because them they say not get anything. So the team they try. Just that I believe say we waste some chances. Because our pattern of playing, you know, say now box to box, tip tap. So it gets some balls where we say we're supposed to shoot, but we see they pass them for inside their 18. So from there, we waste some passes. Odegaard, the same thing for first half. You understand? But they try because second half, we got bring out one of our winning mentality where we say we don't use for like 3 to 4 matches for this season. So they try, and some other changes where they made because now Trossard gets more injury. Where we say they take change out for the game early 15 minutes or so. So that one, they one side. Even Smith Rowe, they won't put for first half, they constantly remove him again. But the guy, some of the change like Tommy Yasu, I don't they even before they end the first half. I don't they complain about Tommy Yasu because like I said, the guy don't lose confidence.
As he's not the place.
As he's not the place since, you understand. Even that last game, I see the same thing. This one, Tommy Yasu of in those days, we say as Obo na kitty. But not called like that. But overall, they still try because that 3 points they vital for me.
So who you go point saying I be your man of the match for today's performance?
Man of the match, the reason why me go give out to our goalkeeper, now because our goalkeeper get one thing wey be say some goalkeeper wey get sense they use mostly when they lose. People like the Becker, Alisson Becker for Liverpool. People like Man City goalkeeper. You understand? They use that mentality. That mentality, wait now they try to talk now say once they hold the ball, they see every dog like they release them instantly. You know they find somebody. You understand? They get the vision of those balls. They fast. And that guy make one save where we say, as in that guy, he tried. To me, now he be man of the match. Then if you say make I give out to another person again, now he be Nelson. Reiss Nelson, I one boy we say I like. And not be say because say the boy deliver for me or he deliver for that match. The reason why I like that boy an improving boy. He not just did the way he did before, he improved and so many other things. So I will give am to Nelson, I will still give am to my goalkeeper.
So I want to ask you about the title race because it's gonna be like say every week the title race they tire apart, every week they tire apart. How you see the title race as Arsenal fan? You dey confident say your club go fit win the league?
100%. I know they thought say we go win the league because say I be Arsenal fan or because I just feel like to talk the word. I stand on my ground. We go win this league. I don't talk am before. Say the league don't go, and we go still win the league. Why the league they tire apart? Now because it's the most best league, competitive league, challenging league, for the full world. Spanish they know, Germany they know. You understand? Syria itself they know. So even German league itself they still know. So this league now league where we say respecter of no man. Even person with relegation, they know they respect you. If you like, go carry Jesus Christ, come play or AJ Gabriel. They will see quack and fall. You understand me? So now very challenging league. If you lose guard, not so they follow you, not go lose guard. So anytime you get your time, take them. Once you see your chance like this, take them. If you add well yourself a draw. So for me, this league now, our league, anybody who want to talk anyhow, make it talk anyhow. At the year when man, they jump up and down, they jump up and down. But I not blame them. They did good form. You understand me? So the reason why I say they did good form, you get what their coach they bring, come we be say, on a normal, as in, I they dread that coach. if Arsenal can get that thing there, I fit even use my ass step say Mark say Arsenal go win any game. There is one thing wey be say their coach dey do, maybe because say na the boys wey really like na im get now. You know wetin e mean for you to say okay, as I dey come this my second half, this na who I dey remove, this na who I dey put, this na who I dey remove, this na. Once he make those 3 changes for that second half, if he like make he dey play Atletico Madrid or he dey play Real Madrid, he must win that game, he must score goal. That na one thing wey be say I like. And you see that Marcus Rashford, the form wey the boy dey, e dey help the club to build up. So if they dey make match, I no still blame them. So make dem come, we dey wait them.
So one word for your manager.
Arteta dey try. Arteta dey improve. He dey improve not just to win games, not just to win title. He dey improve in coaching. He dey improve in the managerial terms. You know say for football, we get good manager and good coach. I believe say as of now, Arteta is 50-50 in both angles. If you look, yes, if you look his signings, he dey try. If you look the tactics, the selections, himself dey try. So that make me say for managerial angle, for coaching angle, he dey try. So Arteta na improving guy, and I like that one about him.
So before you go, Oga Chelsea, Europa League, Arsenal go play Sporting. What do you predict?
Sporting na big club. Oh, I know why they tell you say na big club. People that they play Champions League back to back na big club. So make it not be say I don't want write somebody off. I dey see that match to be. I dey see that match to be 2-0. I dey see that match to be 2-0. Sure, you understand me? Now waiting me, I dey see that match 2-0 in favor of Arsenal. Or if he read well, 1-0. Because Arsenal must definitely win. The reason why we need this thing now, so we won't collect everything. The way man they jump up and down, so we say we won't collect everything. We won't collect 3 titles. So 2, we won't collect 2 titles. Man, you say they won't collect 3 titles. We say we won't collect 2 titles. Both they talk our own now.
All right, now, Chelsea, thank you for your time. The people now, lawyer boy, of course, where they lawyer like lawyer me. I say make I thank you as you take watch this our content, but make you don't forget to show us love. Press that subscribe button, like our content, and make you share it with your friends and family. And also the way you go take follow us for the different social media platforms, they for the description for inside this video.